Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the video in which I am focusing how you can simply get the guidelines about cauliflower powder. So the main focus of the video would be cauliflower powder, or how what would the benefit you will get by eating it. So eat cauliflower is the basic motivation behind recording this video. So if I talk about main objective or the slogan, then obviously meat are frozen cauliflower crust pizzas. So basically they are making some powder form essence, or the powder form um, um, kind of a herb that will enhance the taste of your pizza. Apart from that, you can also use the frozen cauliflower crust pizzas. Obviously, there are some techniques that you can follow to get the better results. So, first of all, um, it has the cheesy flavor. It has some meat based flavors as well. So main categories would be 3 cheese tour, fried cauliflower crust pizza, veggie based stone fried cauliflower crust pizza. Veggie based obviously focusing on the mixed vegetables. So if you like the vegetable flavor, its aromas and the nutrition, then you can obviously adopt that option. Apart from that, we have the saria based flavor with the um, other flavors would be the buffalo style chicken stone fried cauliflower crust pizza, and the Italian sauces based vegetable stone fried cauliflower crust pizza. We also have some uncrushed turkey papaya based stone fried cauliflower crust pizza, and obviously you can order the services. Apart from that, you can also cook it at your home. So basically, the cauliflower powder cauliflower crust pizza are free from all the artificial colors, all the flavors and preservative. It is totally natural and based on the hygienic values. So all the natural, clutter free, making them the crustiest, tastiest, better for you. The pizzas are also available in the frozen form. You can also enjoy it at any time. You just have to defrost it and just oven it, and it's ready to eat. We know that you might be thinking about how the cauliflower or based on cauliflower crust peas are different from the others. So I just said the one word, that is the taste. We are here to give you the services, the tips and techniques for making the delicious crispiest thin cauliflower crust that tastes so good you have never known it is good for you. We also have some chicken tempeh based flavors, cauliflower based pasta, riced cauliflower, and sweet potato based flavor. So, if you are liking this video, please let me know in a comment section. I'll guide you how you can cook at your home and what are the tips and techniques to get the um, fresh cauliflower eat. So eat cauliflower at home, at your workplace is so easy and tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Goodbye.